The articulation of self and presence outwardly. So something about, I was going to say communicating, but I don't think it necessarily has to sort of communicate to somebody else. I think there are people who can just create.
On one of the committees to help the city grow, and the community wanted the art. They're from executives, from normal everyday people, want it makes their life better with the art that they do.
interview with somebody who once said that art and creativity is actually the moment of inspiration, that actually the result or the residue that comes from that moment is something different. It's a piece of that full equation, but that the real art is the moment of kind of vision and inspiration of that spark.
For the artist, the theaters, the restaurants, and the public just was so drawn to this because they want to be entertained.
And if you know what's good, just bust a move and say it's on me. My name is Andy Smart, and I'm just getting started, see. I sign with kind regards, you can find